Hey everyone, I'm Steel Lafferty with MasterCraft. Today I'll be walking you through the most popular NXT model, the NXT22. Boasting a roomy layout for 14, premium weight performance, and the highest quality materials, the NXT22 offers best-in-class comfort and convenient storage for your entire family at an unbeatable price point. The NXT22 features SurfStar, the industry's leading surf system thanks to its strength, accuracy, and ease of use. Simply select a preset and the NXT22 creates the perfect wave to accommodate any riding style or skill level. Plus, the NXT22 delivers a balanced experience behind the boat, whether you're surfing or wakeboarding. And new for 2024, SurfStar includes built-in foiling profiles for both left and right side riders. Say goodbye to surf right and surf left. We've upgraded our surf software on the NXT22 to give riders more customization. The NXT22 now has 3 rapid surf wave options on each side to cater to all skill levels. The NXT22 comes with the option of a Popup Ski Pylon for even more fun behind the boat. It makes it easy to hook up a tube, and you'll love that it easily raises and lowers with one small twist. When you're ready to get in and out of the water, your crew can do so with ease thanks to an optional flip down swim step on the NXT22. Best-in-class comfort continues once inside the NXT22. With seating for up to 14 people, the NXT22 Cockpit provides plenty of space, under-seat storage, and a built-in cooler location for a larger crew. Plus, an optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to enjoy conversations in the boat or watch the action behind it. Don't forget, you can keep your family cool on the hottest of days with an upgrade to Cool Feel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than the standard marine vinyl. With MasterCraft, there's no need to shy away from those darker vinyl options that fit best with your custom design. We've got you covered. New for 2024, the NXT22 comes standard with our advanced audio package. 6 speakers and a subwoofer are spread throughout the boat for high quality acoustic entertainment. A second subwoofer can be added under the helm area for an even better experience. The NXT22 comes with MasterCraft's Z6 tower. The Z6 tower comes standard with easy to use redesigned clamping board racks. Option for silver or black racks to customize your tower and tie it into your design. Combine that with our updated Bimini board storage, you're getting 10 spots for boards and the most storage in the industry. To enhance your ride, load your tower with up to 4 speakers for the ultimate experience behind the boat. Lastly, the tower speakers can be upgraded to our new M80 cans featuring 8.5-inch drivers, a new offering for the 2024 model year. New for 2024, the NXT22 has a completely refreshed dash for an amazing experience behind the wheel. An intuitive 7-inch touchscreen display replaces our previous 4.3-inch display. This really elevates the entire helm experience. With an updated SurfStar interface, NXT22 captains now have visual surf wave graphics and wave controls built into the dash. Plus, the NXT22 dash now has integrated music controls, eliminating the need for separate radio controls. And all boat controls are also built into the new display, giving the captain full control of everything they need in one place. Captains now have a standard wireless phone charger in the NXT22 helm to keep their phone full of power. And you can add 4 additional wireless chargers in the cockpit for your crew. The NXT22 comes standard with Telematics, allowing remote access to your boat's health and vitals anywhere in the world, all through the MasterCraft Connect app. The Telematics box installed in your NXT22 shows critical boat data like battery and fuel levels, build status, and engine health, all while keeping your local dealer up to speed with the services you need. And new for 2024, digital switching is integrated into Telematics, meaning you can remotely control your boat's battery switch. Plus, you can receive notifications for critical alarms and GPS geofencing alerts. The pickle fork bow of the NXT22 provides plenty of lounging room for your family. An open walkway leads into the bow, but you can opt for a filler cushion if playpen seating works better for your family's lifestyle. Lastly, there's plentiful storage throughout the bow, and we have dedicated anchor storage on centerline. The NXT22 is handcrafted, developed with the highest quality materials and tested relentlessly. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver an unparalleled ride and drive, and undoubtedly the best on-water experience there is. With the NXT22, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, graphics, and opt for a backup camera, electronic brakes, or a tire pressure monitoring system for a premium towing experience. We also partner with premium companies to bring you the best product possible, like Ilmor Marine. Ilmor, a brand that's famous for hand-building race car engines, is the exclusive engine supplier for MasterCraft. Our engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. Reliability doesn't stop once a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the country and the world to ensure you get the best customer experience out there. And each boat comes standard with MasterCare, the best warranty on the water, featuring a 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. Thanks for joining me today to learn more about the NXT22. If you're looking for an industry-leading performance at an unbeatable price point, the NXT22 is the boat for you. To experience this incredible boat out on the water, contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head to mastercraft.com.